1931. It's hot. Rat rod also. What? Okay.
They put a big
Oh.
latch on and mounted the headlights on the rat.
That's unique one.
Mm.
So if you have extra like that, you're going crazy. Think about that all. Eh?
See the driving lights or pistons?
Oh, oh yeah.
Front bumper is a big change.
He's very creative, the one build this one. Look at this.
I know. That's why.
He put all the chain over here. Oh, that's nice one. Blacktop Mafia.
Oh. Probably, maybe.
Probably me.
Oh, come here. The steering wheels is just like what do you chain also. So he like chains, wrenching.